So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discussing about a new platform. This platform name is XPrime. So I have to put link this website on my description below. Here you can easily tap on description box. Now I will explain you how to register in this platform, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, press to all, don't miss the new video. So we can start the video. Here you can check like this type interface, and here you can check smart micro strategies, wealth grows if effortlessly. And here you can get start who account one account for the whole market, get start you can. And here you can check services we offered, and about manager strategy, diversity, professional background, technology to driver risk control, how to start, quick registration, select a strategy, capital investment, subscription plan. Here you can choose the plan, and here you can read more details. And now I will show you how to get start. So this is the get start, also you can get start. And here you can register in this platform. So first of all, you need to fill your email and a login password, confirm the password, security password, and confirm security password. You can fill your invitation code also. So I have to put link on my description box to invitation link. So here you can fill the details easily, very simple. And after the registration successfully, you can check this type interface. Here you can read the details, so you can next easily, and here you can close. This is the desktop dashboard, and here you can check this is the valid balance, and broken wallet, and current investment, total income, and recharge, withdraw, transfer, and details also. Strategy is holding and fund strategy, investment amount, also quantitative record, and assets to value also, strategic holding, and real time quotes. So here you can check the currencies, and here is the Binance, OKX value, and here is the Huobi and Coinbase also. So now I will show you how to invest. So this is invest, you can check easily. And if you are invest more, so here you can select the recharge option. Here you can select yourself which currency do you have, you can select yourself, and here you can copy this link, and here you can read the details, copy the address above, or scan the QR code, select Tron network, and deposit USDT. So easily you can copy this address, and here you can recharge yourself, you can select, and here you can paste this address, you can copy this address, and easily you can paste. So here select a Tron, and here go to the wallet, and here you can paste also, sorry for that. And here you can check the amount also, copy, and easily you can paste here. And after the recharge completed, you can tap the recharge completed, and you need to go back. This is the go back option. And now I will show you how to invest. So this is the invest, now you can invest. And here is the fund strategies, invest, appropriate fund, wait for the quantify, next ex extract return. And here you can check $1 many invest. So here you can check the pioneer quantitative growth 1 day, so 7 days investment circle, and 7 days annualized return, 30 days annualized return, 650 56.19%. So here you can fill the amount also. So here you can fill the amount, available balance is 1. So here you can invest successfully. So now I will check. Here is the 7 day cycle, investment cycle, you can check. This is the, and then now I will show the more details, subscription plan. So this is the plan of the free, and here is the monthly, silver member 2 USDT, and the features you can check like this. And this is the gold, and here is the year. So year ka plan, and 2 USDT and 50 USDT, and they get the return and features you can check like this. And now I will show the referral. So this is my referral, and here you can check acquire your referral link, and here your referral information. So this is my referral code. I have to put link this uh, on my description box. Here is the referral code also, and you can share this code also Facebook and X account and the Telegram, Gmail and YouTube and TikTok and Instagram also. If you want to more generate income, you can share easily like this. And here is the invoice. Level 1 recharge rapid 8%, and level 2 recharge rabbit 2%, and the level 3 recharge rabbit and frequency ask a question. And here if you have any issue, you can contact the customer service. So this is the customer service option. You can check connect with it via the following social media platform. So you can join AI customer service and Telegram also. We look forward to getting to touch with you. Choose your preferred platform and we will get back to you soon possible. So I hope you can understand very well, and if you have any issue, you can contact the customer service and me also. So if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. So take care, meet the next video.